If you're trying to connect your Epson XP-2205 printer to Wi-Fi and it's been giving you trouble, don't worry. This is one of those setups that becomes super simple once you see how it works. I'll walk you through the easiest way to get it connected so you can start printing wirelessly without any hassle. A solid Wi-Fi setup makes printing way smoother, and once this is done, you won't have to think about it again. Start by making sure your printer is powered on. You'll know it's ready when the lights on the control panel are steady and nothing is blinking in a way that suggests an error. When everything looks stable, head over to your Wi-Fi router because we're using the WPS method. This is usually the fastest way to pair the printer without typing passwords or going through long menus. It's designed for quick pairing, which makes the whole process much more convenient. Look around your router for a button labeled WPS. It's normally on the back or side near the power or reset buttons. Press and hold the WPS button until you see a light begin to flash. That blinking light means your router is now waiting to connect to a device and it's open for pairing. Now make your way back to the Epson printer. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the control panel. Keep holding for about 5 to 10 seconds until you see the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct lights flash alternately. That's the printer signaling that it's searching for the network your router just opened up. Give it a little time. The printer and router will sort things out automatically. Once the connection is made, the Wi-Fi indicator on the printer will stop blinking and turn solid. That solid light is your confirmation that the printer is successfully connected and ready for wireless printing. From here on, any device on your network should be able to send print jobs without needing a wired connection. If your router doesn't have a WPS button, you still have an easy alternative. Just download the Epson Smart Panel app on your phone. It works on both Android and iPhone. Open the app, follow the on-screen steps to add a new printer, and it will guide you through the manual Wi-Fi setup without needing the WPS option. It's actually pretty intuitive and gives you more control if you prefer doing things step by step. Once everything is connected, you're all set. Your Epson XP-2205 will be ready for wireless printing, scanning, and any other basic tasks right from your phone or computer.